Hello everyone, I'm Usnik Biswas. I'm from Karnia University. My register number is UR15CS144, and this is my data structure lab. This method experiment. My experiment is array implementation of Q, and my experiment which I'm going to do is to simulate the working of Q of integers using an array with the following operations. The three operations are insert, delete, and display. So this is my program. Here I've declared a few global variables. I've used a constant variable here to set the limit of q. So here it is 5, and this is a two variable like using to declare the front and the rear of the array I'm declaring here. So inside, and here I've declared two functions, and inside the main function I've declared three variables, which are item, I, and choice. And after that I've used the infinite while loop here, and I've made a menu driven system to ask the user what they want to do, if they want to insert inside a queue or delete or display or exit. And after that I stored that choice in this variable choice, and I've used a switch statement after that to switch to have a switch case on that variable choice if the user inserts 1. So in the list I've asked them to insert 1 for inserting a value inside the queue. So here, this is the part which will execute after pressing 1. So if the user presses 1, it will check if the queue is full or not. If the queue is full, the R, which is the real value, will be the highest limit of the array. So as array in C++ starts from 0 and 0 1 2 3 to the limit, so the final value will be the max minus 1. So if it is m minus 1, max is here m. So if it is m minus 1, it will know the queue is full, so it will return that, like display the value. And if it is not full, if r is equal to not equal to m minus 1, this block will be executed. So it'll be like enter the number which you want to enter, and will store the value inside. It will call the add function and send the value there, and it will be stored over there. I'll show you the function definition after some time. Okay, and here if the user asks for deleting, if they press 2, you go to this block and we'll call the del function. It will go there, and if the user asked the program to display it and press 3, which is here, it will go to this block. Again it will check if the queue is empty or not. So if f equal to minus 1, it will tell the array is empty, the queue is empty, so it will display this. And if it is not, this part will be executed. This is again to display the queue. So it will start from front to rear, of course, and after that print all the values, one at a line. And this I've used to, as 4 is used to exit, so here I just break that piece 4, and here I've used it to break it from the loop. And so here are the function definitions. So this is the function and add, and here I've like taken a variable here. When the function is called, one value has to be sent through it. So here item is sent and stored in the variable a, and as it is the function of and, so I'll tell you how it works. If r equal to m minus 1, you'll ask why I used this twice. I've used this twice as if the queue is already full, so it need not go to the uh, add function. So again, if it's already full, it will not go and check it again. So so yeah, I can also delete this part. Anyway, if the queue is not full, it will go to this place, r equal to r plus 1, which is the real value will be added with plus 1, and the a value, which is the entered value, will be stored inside the queue, which is a global variable, so you no need to like pass the value to something. So if, again, if f equal to -1, f equal to 0. If it's the last value, so it will become 0. Sorry, if the array is empty, it will just like say it is 0, and the number will be added. Again, in this function, the del function is defined here, and again I've checked if the queue is empty or not, and if it will just display this, and like the function will end. If it is not, it will go to this block, and here I've used a for statement to run from f to r, and I've stored the like I've stored this value inside the f number of a queue and to f minus 1, and if f equal to r, f equal to r minus 1, else f equal to f plus 1, and the data will be deleted. So I'll run and show you this one. I'll be inserting a few values here. Okay, now the queue is empty. So if I display it, it will show that the queue is empty. So here it's showing, and now if I want to enter something, uh, let's say we'll enter 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3. I pressed again 2. I'll delete that. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've done some mistake. I'll run the program again. So here I'll enter a few values: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I enter any other value, it will not be there, because only 5, with our queue limit is 5. So again I try to enter a variable value, it's telling the queue is full, so it's working fine. So now I'll display it. So this is the queue: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I now try to delete it, as it is a queue, so it will be in first in last out basis. So I try to delete it. So the data is deleted, and this was the first variable which entered, so this should be the first to get deleted also. So I'll display it again, and yeah, so the one is deleted, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, and this is a program for making a queue. As a queue is very common, we apply it in any fields, as even when you are booking tickets, booking any movie ticket or anything, it will work as the queue you are making. It will be a queue, obviously, and so the applications are limitless, and we can use this program anywhere we want. So the special feature of my program is that I've used two functions here. I can do the same thing inside the cases also, no problem, but I've used functions there, and I've used infinite while loop. Like if we don't want to run the program every time we want to enter something or not, we can use this infinite while loop and do that particular task more efficiently without running it a number of times. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.